Hello, everybody. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. Indoor grow spot here. Mike's Chaotic Garden. I'm trying your method. Is this called Kratky Method? I did this one already, and I put calendula seeds in here. So this container is dark. I filled it with water, and then I added the hydroponic system nutrients. 5 millimeters, is that what it is? Of each to this. So now I'm going to show you how I did this one. So this container, this bottle, I used, it was clear. So I've been cutting off these tights, and I doubled the tights so because it was you could kind of see through it. I doubled it and used some rubber bands to hold black material tights on here. So I filled it with water, and I'm going to use about 5 milligrams of part A and B of this growth nutrients that are for my hydroponic system. So I'll put 5 of this one. That's a little over 5, but this is kind of big, so it should be okay. And then I'll fill it up to 10 with this one, so that'll be additional 5 of part B. Yes, part B. And then I have left space for the air roots. Is that what you call them? So I didn't fill it all the way up. Let's see how much water I got in here. It's down here somewhere. No, that's a bit much. Well, there's about that much space for the air roots. I don't know if that's enough or not. So let's add the nutrients. Put the basket in, and it fits perfectly. Look at that. I've soaked the sponge. Let's put the sponge in there. It sits up kind of high. I want to cut the end off. Should I? Or should I just leave it? I guess I'll just leave it. Now I have some rosemary seeds. I want some more rosemary. And I got these seeds from God's Desire in 2023. No, they're dated 2023. I think I got them in 2024. Not sure. But I do have a few seeds left. So I'm going to drop. They're very tiny. So let's see how many I can get on my finger and drop in there. 2. I'm going to try for 2. Let me pour them in my hand. Oh boy, I don't know how many I got here. Let me see. Whoa, don't spill those. I have 3, which is probably too many. I'm going to put 2 in here. There's 1 and 2 just in case that one doesn't germinate. I don't think it would be wise to put 3 in there. Did that get in there? Let me put this one seed back and close this up. Okay, let me check this. Did they get in there? Yes, they did. So I'm going to put that back in there, take some foil, and just secure it around the basket. Poke a hole right there in the middle. And I have a shot glass. I don't have clear ones, but you can see through this. So I'm going to put my shot glass on there. And it will be getting the light from my window in the dining room, but also from the hydroponics, because I'm going to leave them sit right here in front so they can get light. All right, wish me luck. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate you. I hope this works. If I can find some more bottles like this, I'm going to do some more. Just experimenting to see. And I thought I'd try flower, so the calendula, which is beneficial. And then the rosemary, and then I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I've got more bottles. I got to check outside of my shed. I got to check where I've got my bottles and see if I can do some more of these. Thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up. I appreciate you, Mike. definitely. I love your tips that you're giving for us newbies, and then also to refresh those OGs who might need a refreshing. You're awesome. Much appreciated. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Happy growing and toodles.